Hi everyone and welcome back. Now in today's video we are going to discuss about the SNS topic filtering. Now in the default settings, whenever you send a message to the SNS topic, the message is forwarded to all of the subscriber endpoints. For example, let's say that you have sent a hello world message to the SNS topic, and at this stage there are two subscribers. You have a prod SQS queue and the dev SQS queue. So this hello world message will go to both the prod as well as the dev queue. So this is the default way in which the SNS works. However, sometimes in real world scenarios, there are many use cases in which, depending upon the type of message that is received at a SNS level, you might want to send it to a selective queue. For example, let's say some production related message has received to the SNS topic. You want that message to go to the production queue. Similarly, some development related message has come to the SNS. You want it to go to the development queue. So this is what is referred to as the SNS message filtering. Now, in order to achieve the SNS filtering, you need to create a filter policy. Filter policy is a basic JSON object which contains the properties that define the message that each subscriber receives. For example, in this SNS, you see there are certain filter policy. First one is Alice, second one is Bob. So Alice, whenever a message of Alice is received, this message goes to the priority queue. Similarly, whenever a message of Bob is received, it goes to the normal queue. For example, this time a message of Alice is received at a SNS level. SNS will go ahead and check its filter policy. In the filter policy, it has determined that Alice message should go to the priority queue, and hence it will go to the priority queue. This message will not be forwarded to the normal queue. So this is one of the use cases that can be achieved using the SNS filtering. So let's go ahead and look into this practically. Now for today's demo, I have a SNS topic called as first SNS topic, and I have two set of queues. One is the priority queue and second one is the normal queue. Now if I look into the SNS topic over here, there are two subscriptions associated with two queue. You have a priority queue subscription, you have the normal queue subscription. Now in the priority queue subscription, there is a subscription filter policy where it states that in a message, if it sees an attribute of customer type as either priority, gold or platinum, then that message will go to the priority queue. Similarly, if we open up the second subscription, here the customer type is normal. So whenever a message attribute of customer type of normal is received, then SNS will send it to the normal queue. Alright, so this is the basics. Let's go ahead and look into how this would look like practically. So let's go to the topic. Let's quickly publish a message. I'll just say test message. Let's go a bit down. In the message attribute, you can go ahead and specify the customer type. I'll say gold and I'll publish the message. Alright. Now if we refresh the SQS queue, this time you see the message has received at a priority queue level. No message is available at normal queue. In fact, let me refresh to verify. And yes, no message has been received at normal queue. Similarly, let's go ahead and publish one more test message. This time we'll say customer type as normal. Let's publish a message. Now this message should go to the normal queue. Now if I refresh, you see one message has been received here. Great. So I hope with this at a high level overview, you understood the basics of SNS filtering. Again, we have taken a very simple use case. Depending upon the use case, it can be much more complex, and based on that, the filter policy can also be much more complex. However, this is the basics, and with this we'll conclude today's video.